the Pele numbers are usually bombastic and done at Iha'a style. So I told him I'd give him a little bit of a rest in between the numbers. And the next number we do for you also comes from the island, from the Pele Hi'iaka legend. And this time Pele is on, Hi'iaka is on the island of Oahu, on the Ka'ena side, which is our side of the island that we come from. And she's standing there and she's observing and feeling the heat of the day. And she's also feeling the burden of this task that she has on bringing Lohi'au back to Pele. And so she does this mele, and the heat symbolizes the burdens that she's carrying. We do for you, Kunihi Ka'ena.
Ai, Kunihi Ka'ena.
Tunita Ena Holo Ikamali, Alaikala Kealo Okapali, Amohoma Kala Ikihawe, Iditi Talana Keava Ula, Ola Ikamakani Kaya Ulka Hola Lili, Imakani Hanolalo, Okala Ina Makua, Lili Kalaio Ikilolo, Ahula Le Akala Ikekula. Leha ano kala imaka Oy kani ho kala kumano mano Ola kamaile kahunana niho Mo adela ike kula wali O akwa ikamalama po Ola wai anai kamakani kaya ulu He ho akula kalau kaniu E ala he, e ala he, e ala he